Today's helpful tip from Roger of keywebco.net. This video has several of our ultimate guides. The first one is our ultimate guide to blogs. All of our guides are available at keywebco.net. Need to learn coding? We have a guide to help you. Every business can always use help with marketing, and we even have a few tips for AI in this particular guide. Our next guide is our business guide, which is full of helpful tips. It has links to everything you would need, and it also has information about what you need to do. SEO is no problem. We have a fantastic guide for SEO that explains all about it. It also includes a large number of very useful tools. At keywebco.net, we also make websites. So of course we have a fantastic guide about making websites. It includes everything you need to know, including some examples of websites created by KeyWebco. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, in this guide, we help you with more than 1,000 words to learn how to take fantastic pictures. Another guide that was very useful to most businesses is our social media guide. Our ultimate home and garden guide is my favorite guide of all of them, in particular the garden section. You can find the ultimate guides in our footer